Experiencing the MSI Afterburner voltage slider grayed out on your GTX 1660 Super is incredibly frustrating, but we're fixing it right now. This video provides the exact steps to reactivate your voltage control and unlock full GPU potential. First, let's update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers often restrict software access to hardware features, so opening Device Manager, finding your GTX 1660 Super and selecting Update Driver is crucial. A quick restart helps Windows register the new drivers. If that initial step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from MSI Afterburner's internal settings, which brings us to Method 2. Open Afterburner Settings, navigate to the General tab, and ensure Unlock Voltage Control and Unlock Voltage Monitoring are both enabled. Applying these changes and restarting the application can immediately restore functionality. However, sometimes Windows Power Management can interfere. For Method 3, head into the NVIDIA Control Panel, find Manage 3D Settings, select MSI Afterburner, and set the Power Management mode to prefer maximum performance. This prevents the system from throttling your GPU. Finally, if all else fails, a clean reinstall is your ultimate solution. For Method 4, completely uninstall MSI Afterburner. Use a tool like Display Driver Uninstaller for a thorough cleanup of old GPU drivers. Then download and install the latest versions of both Afterburner and your GTX 1660 Super drivers. This ensures a fresh, conflict-free setup, giving you back full control over your voltage slider.